my beautiful people, Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome, low impact, full body HIIT workout, all right? It's gonna be great, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna sweat, we're gonna burn calories, so let's get into it. All right, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through everything. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have 30 seconds of jumping jacks. All right, you can go ahead and start that. And if you can't jump, all right, and to make it low impact, you're gonna do these. You're gonna do step jacks. So instead of our jumping jack, you can do step jacks, all right? And since we are doing 3 sets, for this first set, you can go ahead and do this step jack as a nice warm up, all right? Getting ourselves ready for the next few exercises and sets, all right? So, chest is up, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears, all right? You have a nice bend in your knees, all right? No lock knees like this, all right? Nice little bounce, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, awesome job. Next, we have a scoop, a bounce scoop, all right? A new little exercise I found. If you've seen it in maybe some of our recent videos, I am obsessed with it. All right, so feet are more together, a little narrow stance, all right? And you're gonna bounce and scoop to the side, all right? So like so, boom, boom. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. So bounce and scoop, all right? You're really turning. You're turning your torso as you bounce. You're reaching to the side, all right? Coming up straight, and then again. All right, you should really feel this in your core, your legs. All right, very good. Breathing, awesome job. All right, really scoop, really go reach for behind you, all right? And my hands are coming to the side of my hips even if you can, all right? Flexibility looks different on everyone, so it may be different for you, but make sure you're really doing that motion of scooping, all right, scooping. You can keep your hands together, you can have them separate like this, whatever works best for you. Alrighty, and 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Next, we have a reach and tap, 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna reach overhead, same foot comes out and taps, all right? Breathing, reach and tap, very good. Making sure that you are not opening up your rib cage. Make sure you shut that rib cage, zip it up, all right? So instead of this, boom, lock it in. So you tuck in your tummy, you tuck in your butt, all right? And close that zip cage, rib cage, hello. All right, so like this, boom, lock it in, all right? Very good. Breathing, zip cage. Well, zip that rib cage. Came up with a new term, y'all. All right, in 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Next, we have butt kicks, all right? So 2 variations for you. You can go ahead and do it standing. That foot comes towards your bum, or you can go fast. Alrighty, 2 variations for you, 30 seconds, big breath. And let's go. All right, so remember, it's first set. You can go ahead and do the non-jumping one, warm it up, really squeeze your quads, squeeze your thighs when you come up here, flex foot, it'll help engage your legs a little bit more. Very good, tight core, nice and fast. Very good, good posture. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, awesome job. And that was it, set 1 of our awesome full body HIIT workout. Go ahead, take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine, starting with our jumping jacks. Big breath, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Bounce and scoop. Scoop and bounce. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Reach and tap. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath. Butt kicks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! There we have it. Wow, I felt that. Feels amazing. Take a second. We're gonna do it again in set 3. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Bounce and scoop. Scoop and bounce. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath. Reach and tap. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath. Butt kicks. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alrighty, that was it. Wow, 3 sets of our full body HIIT workout. I hope you loved it. Let us know in the comments below what you thought, what you think, what you'd like to see more of. Click subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss out. See you on the next one.